Well, guys, here's a before and after. This is the before. Obviously, there's no after quite yet. It's really hard to do single-handed, but I want to demonstrate that it works and how it sort of works. What on earth is on this? Well, it does come off, so that's good. Right. PCB. Press F to pay respect. And there they are, and all of that dirty stickiness. Oh, it doesn't feel clean, this thing. So when you put something like this back, make sure all of the sliders are in the same position, including the knobs on the front. And this is the one you want to look out for, because it needs to fall exactly in this little pin.